So now we're going to find least common multiples. Now, this is actually a very, very simple concept. Here's how it goes. They're going to give you two numbers, like let's say 4 and 6. And they're going to say, find the least common multiple between these two numbers. Here's how you do it. First, what you do is you list out, like, I don't know, let's say 5 multiples of each, right? So you go 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20. All right? So list the first 5. You don't list 0 because it's kind of cheating, and I'll show you why. For 6, right? Here are the first 5 multiples. 1 6 times, or 6 1 times, which is 6. 6 twice, which is 12. 6 3 times, which is 18. And then 6 4 times, which is 24. And 6 5 times, which is 30. And then you say to yourself, okay, here are the multiples of 4, and here are the multiples, or here are 5 multiples of 6. What is the smallest number that they have in common? Well, let's check. Well, let's see. Does 6 have a 4? No, 6 does not have a 4 in the multiples, right? In the multiples. We're looking at the multiples, not the factors. So 4 is out. Does 6 have an 8? 6, 12, 18, 24? No, it doesn't. So 8's out. Does 6 have a 12? Yes, it does. It's right here. It's the second one, right? And we can get no smaller than 12 without being at 6. And 6 is not shared by 4 as a multiple. So the smallest common multiple between the two is 12. And 12 is the smallest common or shared multiple. You'll also see it written as least common multiple, or LCM. And then that's about it. Let's try another one. Let's try another question. So find the LCM, or the smallest common multiple, the least, which means smallest, common multiple between, let's go with 8 and 10. Here's 8, here's 10. You ready? So first, let's just list the first couple 5. Sometimes you have to go more than 5, but I like to start nice and small. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8, 16. 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 8 is, 32? And then we've got 5 times 8, which is 40. All right, let's check with 10. 10 has 10 times 1, which is 10. 10 times 2, which is 20. 10 times 3, which is 30. 10 times 4, which is 40. And 10 times 5, which is 50. Okay, so now we take a look at our answers, and we see if they have any common multiples. And these are the multiples of the first 5 multiples of 8, and the first 5 multiples of 10. So let's check. All right, 8, I like to start with the smaller number, because it's easier to check to see if they both have the smaller numbers. All right, does 8 exist in both the multiples of 10 and 8? Nope. What about 16? 10 does not have a 16. What about 24? It has a 20, but not a 24. A 32? Oof, nope. A 30, but not a 32. Oh, look, here it is. 40 and 40. That is the smallest number, the smallest multiple both of them share. So that is the smallest common multiple. And that's it.